Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you another interesting gadget which might be useful for some and, well, useless for others. Before I begin, you can like the video if you'll find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. So what does this gadget do? It basically has only one functionality, and it actually a fish bite alarm. It actually alarms you when the fish bites, and that actually is applied when you are bottom fishing without a float. And this gadget might be pretty useful, especially if you are fishing at night. So just a couple of words about this gadget. Over here, as you can see, it has this belt which allows you to fasten this gadget to the rod. Over here, you can actually make the volume of the sound louder or lower. So, and this part here, it actually, well, it triggers the light and the sound on this gadget when the fish bites, like so. As you can see the lights flashing, and if I'll increase the sound, you can also, well, hear the sound. Like so. Okay. Yes, and if I'll just lower the sound, you will see like the flash but without a sound. So let me show you exactly how does this gadget work. So especially for that, I have prepared a rod just to quickly show you how to use it. So basically, I'll fit this gadget to the rod like so. Okay, and well, I don't have much space, so the camera might actually shake a bit, but okay, so as you can see, I've actually fitted the gadget onto the rod with the help of this belt. The next step is to put the line on the top ring, like so, and then it goes to the bottom ring like that. So basically, when you are fishing without a float from a bottom, your line is always stretched, and basically when the fish bites, it pulls the line, and what it does, it actually triggers the sound like so, so that you wouldn't miss the bite. So I'll just I'll just try to make it a bit darker. So one more time, let's just put it to the test, and when the fish bites, it indicates the bite. So in my opinion, that is a very useful gadget which actually helps you catching that monster fish that you are trying to catch. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.